The Redneck Yacht Club New Year's celebration is December 28th through the 30th. 800 acres of trail riding, mudding, mud track racing, and camping with a massive fireworks display and beer can ball drop Saturday night with live music at the stage by Clemens Road. Gates open December 28th at 9 a.m. Celebrate New Year's with all your friends at the Redneck Yacht Club. For tickets and event information, head to redneckyachtclubmudpark.com. You bring the party, we'll supply the mud. Only at the Redneck Yacht Club, the world's most exciting off-road park.